waters from Point Mugu to San Mateo Point. California, including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a special marine warning for East Santa Barbara Channel from Point Conception to Point Mugu, California, including Santa Cruz Island, inner waters from Point Mugu to San Mateo Point. California, including Santa Catalina and Anacapa Islands, outer waters from Santa Cruz Island to San Clemente Island to 60 nautical miles offshore, including San Nicolas and Santa Barbara Islands, waters from Point South to Santa Cruz Island, California, and westward 60 nautical miles, including San Miguel and Santa Rosa Islands, until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 2:18 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, several severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located across the Santa Barbara Channel and near Channel Islands National Park, with storms moving east towards the coast. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Waterspouts are possible. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Point, Santa Cruz Island, Santa Rosa Island, Anacapa Island, San Miguel Island, Point Conception, Galita Point, Rincon Point, and Ventura Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Flood warning in effect from this evening to Tuesday evening. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? South Fork of the Forkadero near Halls. When? From this evening to Tuesday evening. Impacts: at 9.0 feet, farmland near the river is flooded. Additional details: at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday, the stage was 5.7 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 9.5 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage early Tuesday afternoon. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency.
Special marine warning for the following inner waters from Point Mugu to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a special marine warning for inner waters from Point Mugu to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina and Anacapa Islands, until 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:03 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a strong storm capable of producing waterspouts was located just off the coast of Newport Beach and Laguna Beach, moving east at 20 knots. Additional strong storms are expected off the coast of Law and Orange counties. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots, small hail, and possible waterspouts. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Dana Point, Newport Harbor, Los Angeles Harbor, and Port of Los Angeles.